Alright guys, new video for you, and this is going to be on this BK Precision model 1686 DC power supply. Got a few little things I want to do with this one. I want to light up the two meters. I have to change out the AC cord because it's been taped up, of course. You can never have an AC cord without having tape on it. And I just noticed something on the board back here, that there was provision for another control. So we get a voltage control here. There was another control here. I'm thinking this one at one point or another was going to be for current control. So that's I'm going to look into this and see if it's possible to add a current control to the front of this power supply, and voltage and current, because then it'll work a lot like the Macronta DC power supply I got here. That's a 1 amp, and this one's 12 amp. So I'm kind of looking to see how that's going to work out. Yeah. So, and there's something a little bit different about this video. I'm not going to say what it is. There's something a bit different, and I'm just going to see if you guys can figure it out. What's a bit different with this video. Anyways, I'm not going to say nothing else about it. And let's get the front off of this here, pull it off, and just the surfboard off, and see what we can see here. Okay, so as we can see, the heavy variable resistor mounted, but it's not a potentiometer. Well, it is, I guess, but it's not a full-size potentiometer. So technically, I'm thinking I should be able to drill out the plastic right here, mount a variable resistor potentiometer, same as this type, put it in here, and I'll be able to control to current as well as voltage here. What are you thinking, boys? I'm thinking it's quite doable myself. Quite doable indeed. So let's get him removed from the board here. This looks like it's a 1 kilo ohm potentiometer here. So that's what I'm going to need, is a 1K variable to put back there. Cool. So there's the old variable removed from the circuit board, and I have a new potentiometer installed in its place. Again, before I can put this board back, I have to drill out that there hole right there. Okay, so next thing I want to do, not sure I'm going to be able to do it or not, is to be able to light up these meters. They kind of sit, that's where they sit on the board. So I'm trying to figure out how I would actually mount lighting here. Because I have some LED strip lighting like that I could put there. Or I could just put some ordinary bulbs back there. LEDs. I don't know. Or I could just leave it like it is. Okay, so I have my power wire here. That's actually going to go up and power the LED strip lighting that I've decided to use for both sides of these meters, so we can light them up. So now I need to put a tri-mounted variable resistor potentiometer here somewhere, and what I want to do is be able to put a potentiometer here to control the voltage that's going up to lights. I don't want these full brightness, obviously, so that's what I'm planning on doing here. So let's see how how that's going to work out. Okay, so I've got the second control mounted right there. I'm not sure what that control actually used to do, if it was to do anything at all, because even though I got it in there, same value, same everything, if I adjust this control, it automatically puts the power supply into overload. So, not 100% sure what the control used to do, but that still works. So I got the meters lit up. I got them run on a 8-volt regulator back here, soldered right to the capacitor, easy enough to find. And so I'm going to turn off the lights. And that's on 8 volts. 12 volt strip lighting, run on 8 volts. I think that's plenty bright for me. I guess it's going to take a while for them to dissipate, but in any event, there we have it. I may take this control out of there, I don't know yet. We'll have to take a wait and see. But yeah. Anyway, there we have it. This is the BK Precision model 1686 DC power supply. If anybody has a schematic for this power supply, put a link in the comment section. I'd like to look at the schematic more and see what exactly this control was used for. Or if any of you guys may have some idea what the control might have been for, let me know. I'd be interested to figure out what exactly that did. I kind of figured it was to control current. You know, same as what this one here could do. You can control voltage and current. So, you know, kind of figured this one might have done the same thing, but I guess it doesn't. Anyways, put her back together now and call her a day. So there she be. That's where she's gonna live. Right there. Right next to me, Tektronix scope. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. I have a couple more today lined up, so stay tuned.